So, hello guys. Ginawa kong salamin yung camera. So, tanghali na ngayon. May pasok ulit tayo ngayon. Gawin kong salamin yung camera. So, ang ganda ng panahon. Hindi naman masyadong malamig. Pero, ito yung look natin pagpasok sa trabaho. Saran! Nasa labas tayo. Ito yung natural lighting natin ngayon. Parang bahala na kayo dyan. Baka neighbors may makakita sa akin dito. But anyways, Sunday pala ngayon guys. Mag-vlog tayo. So, kung pwede nga lang dalhin tong camera sa work, mag-vlog tayo papunta sa trabaho. Kaya lang, wag na. So, yun guys. Ang ano ngayon natin ngayon. Ang ganda ang ganda daw ng lighting dito sa labas But anyways guys, see you later. I'm going to work pretty soon. Hello. So, walking again, going to work. And it's a nice weather today. It might be my video is a little bit shaky because I just holding it. But yeah, it's super nice out today. And let's enjoy the weather, guys. Sobrang lapit lang kasi guys yung place ng pinapasukan kong work, kaya nilalakad ko lang everyday. Tsaka 'di ba, exercise na rin. 12 minutes walk lang, kaya sobrang lapit lang sa bahay. Ayan, nasa work na kami guys. Si Ate Nora.
How are you guys? We're working now.
Yeah, we're gonna start working now. Good luck.
Yeah.
Today's Sunday. It's gonna be
I
busy.
sleep. I was sleep from 4 a.m. to 7.
She's
Good
tired.
luck to me today.
Alright. Hi, just got home from work and it's 11 o'clock p.m. already. So tomorrow we're having a, what do you call that, honey? House.
Demolition and Construction.
So Dan said tomorrow we're having a demolition and construction. What's that?
That's where my feet touched.
Really?
Yep.
I didn't know that you can touch that with your feet.
Yeah, look under my desk.
Oh, okay. So tomorrow we're having a demolition and construction, guys. So we put the things in the one side and the other side it's empty already because we're having a demolition and construction in the front of the living room. So guys, that's how it's look like. It's empty at the middle. That's the we put the TV and
I blame Joe for this.
what's that?
A mess.
So kabila, and then sa baba din. So fake lang yan guys yung sinasaksak lang yan sa sa outlet yung ayan. I don't know, I always forget how do you call that.
That is an electric fireplace.
So yeah, that is an electric fireplace. Honey, I want to see it. Can you turn it on so that I can, this is my last videos of electric fireplace though. Can you turn it on please?
Maybe. Watch it catch on fire.
Oh my god, don't scare me. So ito turn on ni
I don't remember
Dan.
how.
Nakalimutan na nila. So ito turn on niya kasi are they nice? It's so cute. Yun yung gustong gusto ko dito eh. Pero fake lang yan guys. Electric lang siya. So, tatanggalin namin yan. Parang nakakalungkot na tatanggalin namin yan. Kasi, ang gusto ni Dan, pa-flat na lang yun. Tatanggalin lahat ng cabinet na yan. Magiging flat wall na yan.
Yeah,
Wall
this
na yan.
fireplace is useless.
Ang cute guys. Ayan o.
It's technically a heater, but it's the worst heater you've ever seen. A
So,
little bit of heat comes out through that radiator coil on top.
yan. So, ayan guys, yung itsura. Maganda siya nung nalinisan. Ako, grabe yung kalat niyan before na hindi pa nilipat yung mga kalat dito sa kabila. So, ayan o, empty na siya. Tatanggalin lahat ng cabinet na yan. Magiging ano na siya, flat. So, ayun yung fireplace. Gustong gusto ko talaga yan. Cute eh, kaya lang sayang. Tatanggalin namin yan. Mawawala na yan bukas. So, yan. Cute. Ito yung harap ng living room. Ito yung harap ng living room, guys. Diyan ni Dan sineset up yung computer niya. Gusto niyang tanggalin yan para ma-move ng dikit sa wall yung computer para medyo okay yung space ng sala.
I bet that outlet and this outlet are on the same circuit. So I'll keep those on that side, and I'll take these two over here and just put them on the back. The lights will pretty much go where they are, but instead of being here, they'll be like there, but you know, at this height.
Yeah.
And then cable, I probably won't use at all. Can't decide.
Ang gusto talaga yung this. Ang ganda. Yung fake na fire. But anyways, that's gonna be gone. All that's gonna be gone tomorrow. And that too.
Yeah, I'm just gonna need to buy 1, 2, 4 pieces of drywall. And then a bag of texture. If I can get the cans. It's not a big area. And then oh yeah, there's totally an outlet right there.
There's the electrical.
Huh?
Okay, you can cut that electrical. Do you know what breaker this is?
No, but they're all just right here.
So guys, ayun, tinanggal na yung fireplace. Empty na siya. Yan na, tanggal na. So guys, nilagay muna namin sa labas ng bahay yung fireplace. Ayun na siya. Tinanggal na ni Warren. So ayan na yung fireplace, and it's a nice weather today. Very nice weather. So ayun guys, nag-umpisa na silang mag-construction sa baba sa sala. So I just woke up. I just woke up. So ayun, nag-aano sila. Yung ano tawag doon? Nagchichinso ba sila ng ng wall sa sala. So I just woke up anyway. So now I am ready to take a shower because I do work today. So yeah. Date. It's still a mess over here, but it's flat already all the way to the ceiling, and a bunch of outlet over this side, that side, that side, that side. So yeah, that's how it's look like now. It's flat already. There is no more cabinets. Hi, Dan. Oh my god. What are you doing? You look like a... Don't stop. Oh, it's just weird. So we put plastic all over so that the dust not coming through the other side.
Want to see some dust?
No, don't do that.
Come over here. No,
What?
come over here.
And then,
Ready?
hold on. Yes.
It's gonna be loud.
Okay. Oh my god, yes, the
And
dust.
then watch it just go out.
Woo! Get to my nose. So, but yeah, guys, it's a messy over here. We're not done yet. Look at Oh my god.
Okay, I want to get out.
Okay, get out. Oh. Woo. So dito naman.
Okay, bro.
So dito naman tayo sa kabila. Dito namin muna linagay yung computer ni Dan, tsaka yung mga kalat nandoon. Ayan, all over the place. It's a mess. All over the place because we're having demolition and construction over here. So tomorrow we're gonna
Spray texture.
spray texture. Hopefully tomorrow. Do you think tomorrow is gonna finish tomorrow?
Oh, no paint, but we'll be done with the texture.
Oh, okay.
Once you spray that, knock it down, you're done.
Oh, yay!
You just come back whenever you get your paint, go over it. You gotta give it at least 2 hours to dry.
Mm-hmm.
But we're gonna paint it the next day.
Okay, and we'll be back.
Just get a roller, a couple of brushes. Actually, I have brushes. I need a roller. And then I don't know how much paint I want. I think I'd rather get gallon cans. Because if I get 5 gallons, I'm gonna have to put 5 gallons somewhere.
But yeah,
We'll
you
probably
put,
only use 3.
so may mga plastic yan guys. Yan. Nilagay namin sa, kinunik lang namin sa wall hanggang dun sa dulo. And then hanggang dito, ayun, doon. Sa may washing machine. So, we'll update you guys tomorrow. What's going on tomorrow for this under construction living room wall, whatever you call that, right, honey? Oh, I like this camera. Very handy.
Handly?
And, how do you call that?
I
Very.
don't know.
Yeah, it's very, very light, not too heavy, because this camera is too small. So, yay!
Mine's better.
It's cool. What do you mean?
Oh, that's a...
Ang daming kalat guys, oh. Ayan. Tsaka, daming alikabok. There's a lot of dust going on. Right? What you doing? You're vlogging?
No, I'm vlogging, you're vlogging.
You're vlogging? My vlogging. Hey! Oh, hi camera.
Dusty.
Oh, yes. So, ayun yung tsura sa labas, guys. Ayan yung kitchen namin. Maliit lang yung bahay, pero not too bad. So, when we're done all of this stuff that we're doing, I'm gonna decorate my living room. I'm gonna put beautiful, whatever, look at that. Art, photo art. I don't know, what do you call it?
Painting?
Yes, I'm gonna put painting over there, and then the couch is gonna be there, painting and cute, more cute stuff in my living room. Because I want my living room cute, like more. I don't know. No. So yes, that's it for now, guys. We will be right back tomorrow, or we're gonna update you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Bye, camera.